Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in Premiere Pro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to select any clip that you want to zoom in. So in this video, I'm going to show you the two effects. First is zoom in and then I'm going to show you the zoom out effect also. So you can see that this is a clip. You simply need to select it and come into the effects and control, and then you need to come into the motion section, and here you need to, so let me select a keyframe here. Okay, and then I need to move it, and let me zoom in the video. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, and now I want to add a zoom out effect. Simply need to come here, and here I'm going to add the zoom out effect. So let me do that. Okay, so here you can see that we have three keyframes, and let me show you the video first. That first it is zoom in and then it is zooming out. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video, and if you want to work with me, you can check out the description as well. Thank you. Have a good day.